Tryna play me, they ain't no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand.
Got carbon, Dan. So what I like about this, we've got gloss printed vinyl wrap. It looks okay, but this stuff, it's 3D basically. It has real depth to it, just like real carbon fibre. So when this is fitted, it's going to look great. It's flipping expensive. It's the most expensive material per metre I think we have here. So this is going on there, here. The only bit we can't do, the customer wanted, is this bit. I might try it, but basically I'm only going to do if I can get it looking like it's come from Ferrari with carbon on it. So if I can't make it look like genuine Ferrari carbon, it's not leaving here on. And the best thing, obviously, it's self-healing PPF, made by a company called Spec. They make really good PPF. Obviously, everything we fit here is X-Bolt. We've tested a lot of Spec. I actually had Spec on my Ferrari. That's because I got given some for free, if I'm being honest. But I was really impressed with it. I do prefer X-Bolt PPF. X-Bolt package, when you take everything together, is by far the best we can offer our customers.
Let's give it a go. How are you finding it? Because it is a new material.
Harder to fit, because there's no giving it, you can't stretch it, so that's why I've got the steamer. So it softens the material a bit.
What do you think of the product then? Because it's your first time using it.
No, Dan's done well.
I'm not asking about Dan, I'm asking about the product.
Product's the same as Step BPF, but with the pattern. I am intrigued how they actually make it.
So we've done Nath, we are done. Ferrari F8, it looks absolutely stunning. The carbon bits we've done on it is really transformed, and that's all around the car as well. So we've got the front bumper, these bits here, they look so good. And then the engine cover, and then underneath the spoiler. You can't tell that's not real carbon.
That would have cost how much from Ferrari?
Customer reckons about close to £20,000, so yeah, it's a big difference. Time to get her back to a customer.
Tryna play me, they ain't no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. And now I make plays so they all